Peterbilt unveiled its new Model 579 on February 3, 2021. Peterbilt worked with over 50 of its customers to understand their unique operations and needs, and incorporated their input into the design of the new truck. The interior of the new Model 579 Sleeper offers all the comforts of home. The new digital display is pure Peterbilt, bold design, state-of-the-art technology, and class-leading functionality. The digital display includes a configurable interface with all critical truck systems information, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and sign recognition. Drivers and fleets can personalize their default view, placing the most relevant information at their preferred location on the screen. From the stunning new wood grains to the updated trim and surface colors, the interior of the new Model 579 sets it apart from its competitors. With plenty of convenience details like new, larger panel switches, redesigned cup holders, and all-LED interior lighting, the spacious cab of the new Model 579 provides a comfortable and relaxing environment for driving and living life on the road. Introducing the Model Peterbilt 579 Ultraloft with an integral cab sleeper design. The Ultraloft takes the already superior Model 579 to a new level of driver comfort and performance. The high-quality interior is created from soft-touch materials and features a superb fit and finish for an outstanding driver experience. The Peterbilt 579 Ultraloft interior offers the latest storage capacity available in any comparable vehicle. With more than 70 cubic feet of space, including multiple compartments, a large wardrobe closet, and several cubbies that can accommodate up to 2 CPAP machines. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.